Shiloh, these zombies are terrifying! Why did we answer their distress call?
We knew this place would be zombie infested.
Someone named Captain Prescott sent a distress call. There is a general who is planning to wage war against the safe haven with its forces of darkness.
The usual. Go on.
Oh!
Oh, no! Get him off!
Oh, yeah!
Let's go!
Well, if it isn't Shiloh and her bros.
Hey, he said the thing.
How can you talk? The other guy just talk?
Michelle, is that your dad? He looks familiar to you.
The living are such proud creatures.
You're Captain Prescott.
By decree of the general, you are to be exterminated.
Why did you come?
I have a train to catch.
Start the train! Start the train! Start the train!
Every time! It's not worth your life!
Yes, it is! Yes, it is!
The laboratory is at the center of the town! Prescott isn't the new creation! The vampires are! We have to get to the laboratory! Surviving is what we have to do!
Shiloh, get to the lab. We'll hold them off.
What about the teleporting vampires?
Vampires burn in the sunlight. Wait a minute. Oh, thank goodness.
Here.
You said you know who the general is?
The notes in the laboratory were from someone who was truly obsessed with Nikola Tesla. Someone who desired to carry out his work and take over the world with a virus. There is no one else in this world who is truly as obsessed with Tesla as Tesla himself.
You failed to defeat me back on that train, Shiloh.
No, I didn't.
You guys ready down there?
Yes, we're ready to fight! I'm ready, Baba!
That's a yes.
Here they come!
This is terrible. My guy's got to get you off sugar. This is your last chance, Tesla. Surrender.
You wish.
I probably deserve it.
'Cause I have the power of perfect.
Thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to let you know that these large plushies, as well as a mini couch figurine, are now available for pre-order at youtooz.com, but only for the next 3 weeks. After that, they are gone forever. Check out the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.